Hey everybody, coming to you again from Nashville. Aftermath of the ice storm. There's our crepe myrtle. That was the prettiest one we had. It's going to be a while recovering from that. Of course, there are much more pressing matters for everybody around here. Thousands of people still don't have any heat. The backyard here is just a thick sheet of ice. Just a thick sheet of ice. Ice on everything. Check out this dogwood. I gave $1.50 for this dogwood, I don't know, about 22 years ago. Got it at Kmart. That flag certainly needs replacing. That's Johnny and Ice. Yeah, I'll be glad when everybody gets their power back on. We're fortunate we never lost our power, but we do kind of, we're able to do some prepping, you know, have some things on hand that you just might need, like extra heaters, kerosene, propane, and a generator, plenty of lights. Hopefully in the next few days everything will get cleared up. Looking forward to spring. This is not my kind of weather, but it is what it is. We'll catch y'all later.